Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Math Talk. This channel mainly focuses on middle school math, high school math, SAT math, ACT math, Regents math, PSAT math, and GI math. Today's topic is about chasing problem and meeting problem. After the video, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and give a like to my video. Now let's go to today's topic. First, we talk about what means chasing problem. Okay, chasing problem usually like this. Assume one car first drive maybe several hours uh, from A point, already drive to B point. At this time, a second car also drives from A point to chasing the first car, and usually the second car's speed faster than the first car, and ask you after how many hours the second car will chasing with the first car in the C point. Okay, so that is usually the typical chasing problem. Okay, now we give you an example. Imagine the first car drives from New York City to, for example, Boston. Okay, the first car we give a name is car A. His speed is 45 miles per hour, and the car A will first drive 2 hours. Okay, drive 2 hours. Okay, imagine after the car A drives 2 hours, he arrives this point. Just imagine this point is B. This is the car A. After the car A drives 2 hours, the car B also drives from New York City to Boston. The car B's speed is imagine is 60 miles per hour. Okay, the question is ask you after how many hours the car B will chasing the car A. So we assume after X hours, okay, the car B will chasing the car A. Okay, imagine after X hours in point C, those two the car B will chasing car A. So this is basically the important thing. You should draw a diagram. This is X hours. Imagine in the point C, the car A will chasing car B. So for the car B, okay, he totally drives X hours. His speed is 60 miles per hour. So the car B totally drives 60 multiply X. That is the distance the car B will drive. For the car A, he drives the hours is total is X plus 2, because the car A leave the early 2 hours early than the car B. So that is the times for the car A drive. Car A's speed is 45. So for the car A, his total drive is the 45 multiply x plus 2. Okay, this is the distance the car A will drive. So because the car B already chased with the car, so this means those distances should equal. So we can get the following equation: 40, 45 45 multiply x plus 2 equals 60 multiply x. So you can solve this very easily. Okay, you see? Okay, this is 45x plus 90 equals 60x. Okay, we move the x to the left side, move the constant number to the right side. 45x minus 60x equals negative 90. That's on the left side is negative x, negative 15x, and the right side is negative 90. Both sides divide the negative 15, negative 15. Okay, so we get the x is 6. So that means the car B will need 6 hours will chasing the car A. So that is the typical chasing problem. Everyone remember in order to solve the chasing problem, important thing is you draw a diagram like this. You analyze which one go first and which one go second, and what is the time the difference between the two cars, and analyze the distance, and then you get the equation, and after you solve the equation you get to your solution. So that's a typical chasing problem. Okay, now now the second thing I want to talk about is about the meeting problem. Okay, meeting problem a little bit similar to the chasing problem, but the difference is the lies in the direction. For example, we have the two train. Okay, train 1, train 2, and the train 1 will drive in this direction. Train 2 will drive in this direction. Okay, for example, they ask you they give you the train 1 speed, for example, is 45 miles per hour. The train 2, the speed is, for example, 60 miles per hour. And the AB, the distance total is, for example, just imagine is 100, 1200 miles. Okay, so usually the meeting problem ask you after how many hours the train 1 and the train 2 will meeting together. Usually we assume after X hours the train 1 and the train 2 will meeting together. So let's assume the train 1 and the train 2 meeting in this point. So in X hours, the train 1 the move the distance is 45 multiply X, and the train 2 the moving distance is the 60 multiply X. So those two distances plus together should equal the total distance. Okay, so we get the following expressions: 45x plus 60x equals 1200. So this is I think it is easy to understand. So similarly, in order to solving the a meeting problem, you also need to draw a diagram, and this will help you to understanding the problem. Okay, let's go to this equation. Okay, we get the okay 105x equals 1200. Okay, both sides divide the 105, we get the x equals okay. This is the hours, those two train will meeting. Okay, that means after those hours, those two trains will meeting together. Okay, so this is about a meeting problem. Okay, just to summarize, in order to solve the chasing problem, usually you also draw a diagram, and this diagram will help you understand the problem. Similarly, for the meeting problem, you also draw a diagram, and this can help you understanding your questions and solve it very easily. Okay, that is about today's video. Okay, if anyone have some questions, you can leave your questions in the comments area. And if you have some problem you don't understand, you can also write down the problem in the comment area. I'll try my best to answer your question. Thanks for everyone watching.